Hey,
Hi.
nice to meet you. RevenueCat. I've never heard before. I don't know why. Maybe it was my fault. But what's the story behind RevenueCat and what are you doing at Droidcon?
We make in-app subscriptions easy. Right? So if you're implementing in-app subscriptions on mobile, that's kind of tricky. So for iOS, you're wrapping around StoreKit. For Android, you're implementing the Google Play Billing Library API. If you want to do cross-platform, you're implementing both. We wrap around all of that with our own SDK. So you put our SDK in, works out of the box. You don't have to maintain anything. You get a backend straight away. You can see there, we produce a dashboard that tells you exactly how you're performing. So how many trials are you kicking off? How many subscribers are you getting? How much money are you making? And you can manage your subscribers right here. All of that data gets normalized, which means like it looks the same regardless of platform. And then we have a number of integrations that you can use to send that data to whatever other tool you might be using. Firebox, Firebase, Google Analytics, Amplitude, Braze, Branch, what have you.
Okay, and I see the currency is dollar. Does it also work in euro fine? And what about the taxes? Who should take care of the taxes?
The taxes are held by the app stores, right? So we don't actually handle the payments. We make it possible for you to use the app store to handle the payments. So Apple still pays you, Google still pays you. We don't actually pay you.
So you don't do anything with payment. You just collect.
We don't do anything with payment. We connect the entire thing together. Also for web, by the way. So if you want to do like cross-platform and you want to have a website where you want to take payments, you can pretty much as easily as integrating for mobile, hook up Stripe with a couple of clicks.
Okay, and I can have multiple apps, I believe.
You can have multiple apps. You can actually connect multiple apps together so that somebody buys something, a subscription in one app, and it works across all of your apps. All of that becomes almost trivial.
Oh, cool. And how much does it cost for a developer? Let's say I have one app and I want to do this.
So we charge based on tracked revenue. So the money that flows through RevenueCat, that's what we charge you based on. There's a starter plan at 0.8% of tracked revenue. There's a pro plan at 1.2% of tracked revenue. But there's a free plan that doesn't charge you unless you make $10,000 a month. Right? So you don't actually pay us unless you make a significant amount of money on your app.
Okay, for the beginning it will be free.
For the beginning, it'll be free.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.